Welcome to Roseanne Tests and Quizzes YouTube channel. Total questions, 15. Choose the correct one-word substitution for a given sentence or phrase. And answer will be displayed after 10 seconds. Please don't forget to post your marks in the comments section. Wish you all the best. Introduction. What is one-word substitution? One-word substitution simply means using a specific word replacing a wordy phrase or sentence and making it shorter, concise and clearer to understand. This way, the word becomes identical with the sentence, thus providing the same meaning as the wordy sentence. Watch the complete video and pause the video if you want more time to read and answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment down your score and share with your friends. Please do subscribe the channel for more tests and quizzes.